Alright, so in this video, I want to show you how money is printed, okay? But I'm not talking about printing physical money. I'm talking about how to use internet to print money, okay? Not only that, the skill I'm going to show you also can print your family's future, okay? So stay with me. Hey, my name is Daniel Cho, co-founder of the Wealth Warriors. On this channel, I share with you normal everyday people, the strategies that I'm using that helped me get off the food stamps, which I was on 3.5 years ago, to now making multiple 7 figures online together with my business partner. So you want to make sure you follow my channel, follow my social media accounts, so you can learn the real strategies that you can use to make real money online. Let's dive right in. And today's date, let me see, date and time right now. So right now is 9:45 a.m. in the morning, August 21st, 2024. Okay, I'm in Tucson, Arizona. So MST. To demonstrate the process, I'm gonna show you one of the product I'm promoting online. Pay attention to this number, okay? Right now, this account, I have $764.20. And to show you how I print money by click couple buttons, right? I'm gonna log into our money machine, okay? So this is our money machine. This is actually a marketing software that I'm using to do my marketing and also manage my 7-figure business, okay? So here, I'm gonna use this email. I simply send out one email, okay? Then I'll show you money can be printed that way. I'm gonna copy the headline. Come back here. I'm gonna create a campaign. Send. I'm gonna batch send, okay? So probably send 200 emails per hour. Is from our email address. Send their name. I'm gonna put Daniel and Nathan. Subject line, right? And right now I have 1,200 people on my email list. I'm gonna simply schedule it. Then machine will do the work for me, okay? And let's come back here. Refresh this page. 9:47 a.m. in the morning, August 21st, 2024. Okay, and so far, right, we're starting at $764.20. I'm gonna log off, do my morning stuff, drink a coffee, hang out with kids. Then we'll come back to see if we successfully print some money. Okay, let's go. All right, so after enjoying some morning coffee, let's come back here. Let's refresh this page. So right now it's 10:49 a.m. in the morning, August 21st, 2024 in Tucson, Arizona. So it's literally about 1 hour since we sent out that email using my automated marketing system. Okay, 1 hour later, and here's the results. Let me just refresh this page. So literally in the last hour, by not doing much, just by sending out one email within a couple clicks, we made $21 already. Okay, more money will be coming in throughout the day once people open up their emails. That's how you make money while you in sleep. Okay, everybody say you can print money online, but nobody really show you exactly how to do it. And the email I sent out was only for a $7 product. Imagine what if you do this to a $100 product, $500 product, $1,000 product. Okay, that's how you make multiple 4 figures per day. If you want to know how to do this step by step, comment info down below, or you can simply click the link in the video description. Okay, I put together a comprehensive training. In that training, me and my partner Nathan show you what products to pick to sell, how to set up your automated system, and number 3, how to get leads and customers into your system for free, okay, using social media. So if you want to know how to do this step by step, just comment info down below or click the link in the video description, okay? I'll see you in the training. Let's go.